Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a fresh summer matte makeup look, which is very quick and easy to do, and it's very wearable at the same time. And during the summer, since it's so hot outside, our makeup melts, our skin becomes all sweaty, and the makeup just does not stay in place. That's why it's recommended to do minimal makeup on an everyday basis during the summer season, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So firstly, I'm going to hydrate my skin. Now, even though it's the summers and your skin doesn't become dry, it still becomes a little dehydrated. So a little bit of hydration is always recommended. I'm using a lightweight gel moisturizer. And since all the makeup that we're going to be doing is going to be matte, it's good to hydrate your skin so that your skin doesn't look dry or cakey. Moving on to the most important product of a summer skincare regime or a summer makeup regime. This is a sunscreen, and this one's by LOTUS Organics Plus. It's their Ultra Matte Mineral Sunscreen. This sunscreen is great for an everyday basis because it's 99% natural and it's free from preservatives and artificial fragrances. It's suitable for all skin types, and it is a tinted sunscreen, which means that it's going to give you a little bit of coverage while protecting your skin against the sun. So you don't even need like a separate foundation, concealer, or any other base products when you use this sunscreen. Now this contains an SPF of 40 PA+++, so it gives you a good amount of UVA protection. Along with that, it also protects your skin from UVB rays, and it's an ultra matte sunscreen, which means that it's going to mattify your skin, control the excessive oiliness, and basically last long on your skin. Moreover, the best part is that it's water resistant and sweat resistant, so even if you wear this and go out outdoors, it's still not gonna move, budge, or melt away. And you can also wear this while swimming or while visiting water parks. It's great for that as well. And all you need is just a coin size amount of it. It's got that mousse like consistency, as you can see, and it's also tinted. So I'm just dotting it all over my face. And then blending it. The consistency of this is so good, it's so easy to blend. And as you can see, I did not even leave any white cast on my face. It blended so easily, so seamlessly, and I love the coverage that it's given to my skin. I've tried so many tinted sunscreens and none of them give this much amount of coverage. I absolutely love the coverage of this tinted sunscreen. It's made my skin so much more even toned, and yeah, my skin looks really beautiful after applying this. And moreover, when I touch my skin, it feels all matte and all soft. So it's a great sunscreen to be used on a daily basis. And in case if you want to purchase this LOTUS Organics Plus Ultra Matte Mineral Sunscreen, then I will leave the link to purchase it in the description box below. Along with that, if you use this coupon code, then you will be getting an extra discount. Now, if I would have used the regular sunscreen, I would have used the foundation or concealer to give my skin a little bit of coverage. But since the sunscreen has already provided such a beautiful coverage, I'm going to skip on the base makeup products and directly move on to a compact powder. So I'm just applying the compact powder under my eyes. And on my T-zone where my skin becomes oily. Okay, so I completely forgot this lip balm step. I was supposed to hydrate my lips while I was hydrating my face, but we'll do it now. Always remember, whether it's the summers, winters, or whatever season of the year, your lips need a little bit of hydration, because winters में तो lips dry हो जाते हैं, but summers में dehydrate हो जाते हैं. So make sure you always wear a lip balm, especially before you wear a lipstick. Now moving on to the most fun part, that is adding some color to the face. I love wearing lip and cheek tints, especially during the summers, because they look so beautiful. They make the skin look like it's naturally flushed from within. But the problem is that these kind of melt away if you go out in the hot sun, if you're outdoors for a long time. So I'm gonna show you a hack right here. You just want to apply a tiny bit of the lip tint Firstly, blend it really well. I love how beautiful that looks. Oh my god. And then on top of the lip and cheek tint, you want to go in with a powder blush, and make sure that you use a very light shade or one that matches your lip and cheek tint. So I'm going to go in with this, and make sure you use a fluffy brush, a very nice and fluffy brush, so that it only helps to set the blush in place and not apply a lot of product. That's it. I'm going to repeat the same on this side, and it's only going to help to set the lip and cheek tint. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to dust it like all over. From the same palette, I'm going to go in with that pink toned highlighter and just apply it very lightly on my cheekbones. And leave it right there. I'm not gonna like highlight all parts of my face because वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है. Like when you go out and when the sun hits your face, already like the high points of your face shine. So you don't need a lot of highlighter, especially like if you're gonna be outdoors in the sun. Just a little bit here and there is good to go. Since this is an everyday makeup look, I'm not gonna be doing much for the eyes, but just finish off with the mascara. And then whatever is left on the wand, I'm just going to run it through my eyebrows to set my eyebrow hair in place. This hack also helps to add a little bit of fiber to your eyebrow hair, making them look darker, and it also helps to set them in place. And lastly, to finish off the makeup look and add a beautiful bright pop of color, I'm using a bright pink lipstick. So yeah, that's the final look. It's very easy, quick and minimal, and you can literally wear it every single day during the summers. It's sweat-proof, waterproof, and yeah, it's gonna stay in place throughout the day. So yeah, that was my take on a fresh summer everyday makeup look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.